guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to do double-digit long division. Probably younger kids who are my age are having a lot of trouble with it. I did it first too. It was so tricky to win one digit until I actually learned, and it took a while because I only did short division. Now, I'm doing my homework still, so it's basically my homework. All you have to remember is, well, you gotta just remember what's on the page. But anyway, one problem is 85 into 6,120. We all know that 85 can't go into 61. So, you will have to go into 612. Now, you may not understand this part. Let me break it down. If you are in one digit division and you're trying to put 2 into 1, you can't do that. So you'll have to go into the next number, 12. If it was like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would have to add up or multiply how many times 2 would go into 12. And since that's 6, you will put a 6 above the 2 and a 0 above the 1. And that's how you do that. It's basically the same thing in a division problem. Well, a double digit. Now, we're going to learn how to do it. I'm going to do this. Now, a strategy we do in my school is called guess and check. You're going to draw a box, and it's called a guess and check box. You're going to do, say, 85 times 7. We'll go over into here, and we're going to go 85 times 7. 5 times 7, as we all know, is 35. You're going to put the 5 at the bottom and the 3 above the 8. 7 times 8, we all know, is 56. 56, 57, 58, 59. I have no business counting. So, it's 59, and you can put a 5 and a 9. Right now, we have 595. Let's see if we can put 85 into it anymore. So, we're going to try 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So you're going to put 4 above the 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. You're going to add 4, which is 68. And then you put 68. Well, now we have 680, which is too high. So, we're going to have to use 7, which is 595. 595. Then, since that's 7, you're going to put a 7 above the 2. And 0 and a 0 above the 6 and a 1. You're probably saying, that doesn't make any sense. Well, that's because you haven't done with the problem. Now, since you've done that, I'm going to show you this. first problem I did. This is the one we're working on right now. I just did the multiplication. I put my numbers up here. Now, we are going to put a 595 under the 612. And we are going to subtract that. Let's see. 595. Now, let's check this. 5 take away 2. Can we do that? No. So you're going to come over from the 1 and borrow. That's going to turn to a 0. But 2 becomes a 12. Now, 12 take away 5. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Our answer is 7. Put a 7 under the 12 and 5. Now, 9 take away 0. Can't do it. Come over here. Borrow. The 6 turns to a 5. The 0 becomes a 10, which becomes a 1. Now, you're going to bring down your 0. Do you see this? I got 595. I take it, and I got 170. Now, we're going to move on to the next part of the problem. Now, 85 times, we'll try 85 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. You're going to carry your 1. And then 8 times 3 is 24, 25. And you get 255. Which is too high to subtract from 170. So, if it's too high, you're going to go down. We'll try 85 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 2 is 16, 17. Now, 170 take 170 is 0. And you're not going to have a remainder. And you're going to put a 0 under all the numbers you subtracted. And your answer is going to be 72. That's simple. And if you can't get that, I don't know how else to help you. That's double-digit division. If you need more help on that, good luck. Because I think I explained it pretty darn well. This problem is from Houghton Mifflin Harcourt Math Expressions. It's Homework and Remembering, Volume 2, 5th grade edition, also known as the Cheetah. I have to use this every year, and I love these math books. I've known them so well, and if you can't get these, I don't know what else you can try, because these are the best math books. Now, if you want to look at my math, go ahead, check it. How about we check our answer? So, did you know that you could multiply your answer by the number or the divisor and get the dividends? If you didn't, let's try. 85 times 72. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. I'm going to put a 0, carry your 1. 2 times 8 is 16, so it's going to be 170. Bring down your 1, and it's going to be 17. Now, put your placeholder, a 0, and if you're old-fashioned, just leave it blank and scoot over 1. 7 times 5 is 35. You're going to put a 5, and then you're going to carry a 3. 8 times 7 is 56, 57, 58, 59. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry your 1. If 9 plus 1 is going to be 10, and add another 1 is 11. 1. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. What you get your answer, 6120, 6,120. Check my work and see if I'm right. You can go home and try this. Our problem was 85 divided by 6,120. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need more math help, let me know. I am only in 5th grade and I can only do so much. Until we learn it, I can teach it. Stay smart, stay strong, learn more. I'm Nicole. You are my peepsels and popsels, the only ones allowed on my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. This is Long Division, and I am out. Try it soon.